Today, I'm going to show you how to change the motor direction on a SeceuroGlide Garage Door using the brand new Somfy Rollixo. First, take the screw out the bottom of the control panel and remove the front cover. Open the door to approximately halfway. Press and hold the set button until the door jogs. Press and hold the center button until the door jogs again. And then press and hold the set button until the door jogs a final time. You can now operate your door as required.